Hi guys, in this video we will see how to change your Windows 11 username, computer username. It is very easy to change your username. If you want to change your username on your computer, here are the process. Right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box, and in run dialog box type the command netplwiz, netplwiz, and click on OK. This will open your user account page. Choose your user account which you want to change. Choose properties and here go to username and change your username. Simply under general tab you will find username. Simply rename your computer username as per your choice as you desired, and for example we will keep it tips how to, and click on apply and OK to save the changes. Now close the windows and apply and OK to save the changes, and check whether you have received any error or not. If you try to open any settings or control panel in your system, such type of error message appear: no mapping between account names and security IDs was done. So such type of error message if you receive on your system after changing username, no any apps is opening, and such type of error message no mapping between account names and security IDs was done, then simply right click on a start button and restart your system. A simple restart can resolve such type of mapping issues. So restart your system, and once successfully restart your system, go to same process, right click on start button, choose run, and open again user account netplwiz in run dialog search field and select your account, choose properties, and you can see your username is successfully changed and all apps will now open. That's all.